Yo, what's up with it, man? It's your boy CEO Rud, man. I'm back with another snack review. Matter of fact, I'm finna go on and do my fourth snack review. So, when I was at my job earlier, got to walk around looking at some. I've been seeing these for a while. So I most definitely gotta give it a go with this snack review. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never tried them before, G. You know what I'm saying? I'm always looking for something to snack on, woo. Well, I just so happened to run across a bag of these right here. Yeah, the Cheetos Flaming Hot popcorn. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I like the Flaming Hot Cheetos and the Flaming Hot fries. Now, the Flaming Hot fries, them my favorites. By these being Flaming Hot, oh, I'm definitely finna try these right now. I mean, as an ASAP, no kelp. But yeah, man, I'm finna go on and bust this bag open, man, and see what it tastes like, though. I'm gonna let y'all know what they hitting for. Just hold on, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's what the bag look like. That's what they look like. You know what I'm talking about? Matter of fact, let me go on and try mine. Let me see what it like, though. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. Boy. They busting too, though. Mm-mm-mm. Like I said, you like Flaming Hot, bro? You gonna like these right here. You gonna like these right here. No kelp. Man, when I tell you these mugs so fire, I don't even want to put the bag down. I want to go on and eat the whole bag right now. But I ain't gonna do it like that though. You know what I'm saying? But yo, fire. Mm-mm-mm. Woo! Man, they Flaming Hot. That make it even better, dog. You feel me? Mm. As a 10, I'm giving these a 10 out of 10 too, man. If you go by any of your major retailers, make sure you pick up a bag of these, bro. You would not be disappointed. You feel me? I mean, no cap, man. You think I'm BSing? Make sure you try these. But yeah, man, it's your boy CL Run, man. And I'm out here, man. Mm-hmm.